Humans are not so faithful, but do produce oxytocin. It's important in sexual arousal, orgasm, and feelings of love. And oxytocin plays a particularly large part in female emotions. There is a close chemical connection between a female's affection for her partner and affection for her child. Mother love is a real and powerful emotion for mammals. A newly born elephant is helpless. Alone, it has no chance of survival. But nature has provided a guarantee that the baby will be nursed and protected. The physical act of giving birth releases a rush of oxytocin. This immediately bonds the mother to the sight, smell, and sound of her newborn. Exactly the same thing happens for human mothers and gives rise to their first feelings of overwhelming love for their baby. Elephants, like humans, have taken baby protection one stage further. The sight of a baby face may stimulate the production of oxytocin in adults, even if they're not its parents. The trigger is the shape of the face, the high forehead, and the wide-set eyes. It's nature's design to ensure that the baby is well cared for. That's why we find baby animals so appealing. Their faces release oxytocin in our brains. When oxytocin goes into action, it's only logical to conclude that animals experience overwhelming feelings of affection too.